So guys, in my last video I share with you guys on how you can actually make a lot of money after 3 days that a coin is being listed on Binance and how you can actually make from $50 to $800 using this particular strategy. So in today's video I want to show you guys another way you can actually make a lot of money even when you are even using small money to enter the market. So the next thing you need to do, also remember, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and we have a free Telegram group. The link is down below this video. And if you want to be getting daily signals on my trades, both spot trade and coin arbitrage, you can join my VIP group, okay? And I also have a class where I will teach you step by step on how to start trading crypto and start making money, okay, with my #1 strategy. So you can join. It costs only about 20 USDT for you to join the class, okay? So now, as you can see over here, I'm on top losers, okay? And you can, as you can see here, this is the losers for the day, and I'm on spot market, okay? So what do you need to do? You need to actually find a coin that have actually dipped a lot in the market. Also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. What I'm sharing with you guys here is what I do on daily basis to make my money online, okay? So what you need to do is to enter this particular, let's see, this particular Cairo, okay? So now, once you are now in Cairo, the next thing you need to do is to make sure that Cairo have been in the market for a very long time, not just days, okay? Not just days. And when you are now in the market, what you need to do is to go back from the day the market start. Make sure the coin have been in existence for the past 60 days, okay? 60 days, a minimum of 60 days. That is when you start trading the. So let's go and see this. So if you take a look at this chart, this is 1 day chart. You will find out that the coin have been more than 7 months, 5 to 7 months in the market. So now any coin that doesn't have this particular thing, any coin that have not entered this particular place, okay, any coin that have not entered this particular trend line from 1 day chart, don't do what? Don't enter the market, okay? That means the coin is a new coin. So, and once this particular place is gone, this particular all-time high and all-time low is gone, and we now see this 3 Bollinger Band line, that is when you need to do what? You need to enter start checking for opportunities, okay? So, and this particular place, what are the opportunities which I'm actually trying to share here, okay? So the next thing, remember, you are in 1 day chart, okay? So what you need to do now is to now come just like this. Over here you can see that there is a total long breakout here, okay? This is actually where you make money from, okay? So once there is an up breakout, which is uptrend, and there is a big breaks out like this, which you are seeing here, okay? This is where you now go down to short this particular market with just 4 leverage, okay? So but for those of you which love to trade only spot, what you do is that you focus on when the coin is in overbought, okay? We have overbought and oversold. So here, actually here is overbought, okay? If it is up, it's called overbought. If it is here, it's called oversold, okay? So now you can see over here where this thing took place, okay? That is, I've just shown you one which is here, okay? It was a total breakout here, okay? And the another place where it actually happened again is here, okay? So since this coin have been in existence, this particular signal have popped up 2 times. Okay, so although the first time was the first, which is the beginning, which was here, okay, which was here, so over here. So the next thing, but you wouldn't know if this 3 Bollinger line have not opened. You wouldn't know when you need to short or when you need to buy. You can only buy as a spot trader, and you can short as a future trader. Okay, so now, but once it have entered this line, this blue line, this is here, this one and this one and the middle one, that is when you can now be able to identify when to enter and when to do what, when to exit the market. So it actually now happened here again, that there was a total big breakout. So for me, what I will actually do now is to do what, to short this market. And believe you me, if you are starting with $10, whenever you see this opportunity, it is 100 to 200%. Okay, meaning that if you are starting with $100, you will, once this market the candlestick return just like this back to this blue line, okay, you must wait for it to return to this blue line, this particular blue line. Okay, so it must come back to the yellow one. So from here, this place to down to this yellow one, that is when you will close your market. So if it actually went down, break out and go this deep, you will wait for it to return back to this yellow line before you close. You sell your coin and take your profit. As a spot trader, you can focus on it and make a lot of money from it. Okay, so for me, I focus only on spot and wait for this signal. So in my VIP group, I will be giving this kind of coin signal. If you want to join, you can join. It costs only but 20 USDT to join my VIP group. And also remember, for you to be getting this kind of signal constantly, you need to wait for it to appear. You can take put like 50 coin in your favorite and be monitoring any of them that have gone to this level. You can actually make a lot of money from this particular update, which I just share with you guys here. Okay, so the best thing for you to do for now is for you to make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you want to gain more knowledge in crypto, what you need to do is to join my class, which costs 20 USDT. And most of the people will want to join crypto today as a newbie. You just know what they call Bitcoin or crypto. You want to make money. It doesn't work that way. You need to learn. You need to gain knowledge. Okay, if you want to actually be successful in crypto market, you need to gain the knowledge before you start making money. So if you don't have the knowledge, you will not be successful. You always lose money and think that crypto is a scam, but crypto is not a scam. The problem you have is that you doesn't have the knowledge. So when you have the right knowledge in it, you make money. Okay, so if you want to know more, you can DM me. My contact details is down below this video. Peace out.